Hi guys, this is Manish and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the latest feature that's been introduced into the WhatsApp. Plus I'm going to show you that how you can enable the fingerprint sensor lock into your WhatsApp and how easily you can use fingerprint lock sensor into your WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let me just take you to my mobile screen. So lately we have seen many changes, or you can say the many new features have been added into the WhatsApp. One of the greatest features is of course the fingerprint security lock, and how you enable it, let me just show you. For that you need to go to your WhatsApp, and once into WhatsApp you need to press the three dots over here, and once into three dots you need to press the settings, and the first thing you will notice that it's now coming with the WhatsApp from Facebook. So that's the first major update. Now this message is showing that it's now WhatsApp from Facebook. So now to add the security of the fingerprint sensor, you need to go to account. Once you to account, you are able to see this kind of options like privacy, security, two-step verification, change number, request account info, delete my account. But we are going into privacy. Once into privacy setting, you are able to see the last scene, the profile photo, about, status, read receipt. If you want to turn it off, that even if you read the message, no one will be able to know. Groups, there's another update that what people can add you into groups. Everyone, that is now open. My contacts, only my contacts which I've set it into my phone will be able to add me onto any sort of groups, or my contact accept. If you press this, a lot of message will come that anyone can add it into my contacts but accept this number or this person. So right now I'm setting it to everyone. I'm not just pressing it to done. Live location, if you want to share it, you now want to share it, is up to you. Blocked content, there's none, and this is the new setting, the fingerprint lock. You need to press it and unlock with fingerprint. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer call if WhatsApp is locked. So if you haven't sent any fingerprint lock into your phone, it will tell you to use this feature. You need to set up your fingerprints on your phone first. Okay. So let me just quickly go to settings over here. So able to see the secure lock type, swipe, pattern, pin, password, or the face or the fingerprint. I'm pressing it the fingerprint. Again it will ask you to confirm your pattern and your fingerprint. Place a fingerprint on the sensor, let it off, then repeat. Make your finger up or down slightly between attempts. So now you're able to see that I've added my fingerprint. And now let me just quickly go back again to WhatsApp, or you to use this feature, unlock with fingerprint. So confirm fingerprint, touch the fingerprint sensor. So it's been done. Unlock with fingerprint. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint. Automatically lock after 1 minute if it is the WhatsApp is unlocked, or after 30 minutes or immediately. Show contents in notification, that's okay. So now my fingerprint has been enabled. And let me just clear it from RAM. So now let's test how the WhatsApp is working with the fingerprint. Just quickly open up the fingerprint. So as soon as I open up the WhatsApp, it's showing me that touch the fingerprint sensor. Now I'm touching it with my this finger, and you're able to see my WhatsApp has been enabled. So this is the great feature. Now I set it to lock it after 1 minute. Even if I again go to my WhatsApp without the fingerprint access, it can be able to open it. So this is very much simple steps that how you can lock your WhatsApp with the help of this new feature by the lock of the fingerprint sensor. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish, and I see you all in the next video.